Hello everyone, I'm Prashant Nair, representing Vodafone India on the case study Magnum Retail. As we are all aware that Magnum Retail has been expanding, both organic as well as inorganic. Not to mention that the recent acquisition that we have just planned to have. In striving to achieve our business goals and to meet the overcome the operational challenges that we have found or analyzed and identified a few technology projects that we would like to carry forward to meet them. First off, big data. What would we like to do here? Primarily, what we want to have here is to have a better experience to the customer using information that is disseminated across several channels and bring it to a meaningful end. Giving our customers the better option to go ahead and sell the products that we want to the customers appropriately. The key idea here in machine to machine is to have the operational challenge to be managed and to give a customer delight. The primary goal here is to bring in an innovative technology wherein we want to give the customer the experience which is unique and which is a key differentiator to our competitors that we may have. A solution that we want to present here is that a customer walks in to a store. Primarily, he goes, picks up his product that is of choice and just swipes his loyalty card. The information gets transmitted to the self-service kiosk wherein he can go and pay up and without any manual intervention at all, giving the customer the freedom to choose, freedom from long queues and an experience which he has uniquely only at Magnum. Taking it forward, we would also want to give virtual reality experience to the customer, wherein he can try out non-perishable goods at his own choice, wherein we also, as a Magnum, we can target the private brands, where we have, higher margins profitability, which we plan to have. OpEx and operational efficiencies are the primarily challenges where we want to achieve and go ahead with. Cost reduction is an area wherein we want to see how we tackle and bring up this, bring it up to a speed. The next few projects are actually interconnected and bring about us the challenges that we want to bring and optimize our costs. So primarily data center transformation, business service management, private cloud technologies. These are areas wherein we see that they are interconnected and brings in the opportunity for us to reduce our costs and bring in operational efficiencies. The number speaks for themselves out here. Business productivity is another project wherein we want to see how we can leverage our existing investments and introducing technology for unified communications. Primarily, what we are doing here is bringing in, a channel wherein our employees can interact with each other and bring in cost effectiveness. Enterprise security is where we want to see that it is applicable across all the domains that we have just visited. And primarily to bring in a data security concept to see that we are aligned with our global governance policies and stuff. Also, to summarize, we have all the details already available with us, and we would like to take it to you if time would have permitted us. And the point here, we would like to seek your approval and support for us to implement these projects and make them to a success. Thank you.